Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So I'm just going to share to you easy ways on how we can fix this. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update. We need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows and we have downloaded and installed the latest updates for our Windows. So once you click on check for updates, this will check for all the updates as well as download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once you're updated, simply close out of here. Then if in some cases that you're not or your Windows update is in error, open the services window. Click on it under the best match and then scroll down to the W section and you'll find Windows Update from here. Simply make a right click, select properties, startup type, make sure that is automatic. Service status, if this is not yet running, click on start. If this is already running, click on stop. Click on start to restart the service. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And then check for the updates afterwards. And then continue the installation process or continue to install the Visual Studio again. For the next method is we are going to temporarily disable any of the third-party antivirus softwares that we are using in our Windows. So if you are using any of the Malwarebytes, Avast, or McAfee, so in my case, I have the Malwarebytes and I am using this. Now, if you are using any of the Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, then you just need to simply click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. And here you'll find that I'm using Malwarebytes. Simply make a right click, then you have to select with Malwarebytes. And after you have disabled the third-party antivirus software, try installing the Visual Studio again. Then we can also run the system file checker scan to fix for any corrupted system files. So in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then in the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Then in this block window with administrative command prompt, type here sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now. Then you have to hit enter. So this process will take some time. The verification process will start from 1% and will goes up to 100%. So while you are at a certain percentage and not 100%, do not close the window. In short, do not close the window if the process is not yet completed. So once this is completed, then you can just simply close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, then continue the installation process. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.